Hold on.
Okay guys, the other video I cut it off really fast because my phone was ringing. I said I was gonna do a bench test on this amplifier, the MD5000. So but now I have the time to do the bench test, so I'm gonna just give you guys a little bench test on it and let you guys see how it's playing and stuff like that. You guys, it's power on and everything running. You could, these fans are loud.
Music on the track.
CNC Electronics Repair and Sales. That was the bench test of the Taramps MD5000.1. So I don't know why they don't take this plastic out, but I'm not gonna remove the plastic, you know. Yeah, they leave it on there for a purpose, I thought. But that was the bench test. You could see still on, everything's working fine. So remember guys, replace that IC if you ever have a problem like this. It comes on with the protection light just flashing, not the clip light, the protection light just flashing like that, on and off, on and off, on and off. It doesn't stay on continuously. Remember, replace that IC, and I think the problem, you know, you'll be okay. I'm not saying all the time it's gonna be that, but yeah, for this case and for this repair, that was the issue with this amplifier. So guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and you can go ahead and ask me any question you guys want to ask me. I'll let you know. I'll answer it as best as I can for you guys. Okay, as soon as I saw it, the text, I'll answer you guys. So please, thank you again guys, and please subscribe, and that's it for this video. Thank you very much.
Hold on.